go?
No, I quit.
You go through Rafting?
Yeah. I spent more time in the water. I was just like, go, I got it, here we go.
If you fall out of the boat, remember toes and nose downstream, which means just relax, keep your feet and hands in front of you, keep on top of rocks, that way you don't hit your head. We got 2 people in the water instead of 1. To get them back in the boat, just take them, grab them by the little harnesses here, and you dunk them really good for once for good measure. Just dunk them good. The reason why we say dunk them is the buoyancy will help bounce them up into the boat. Now, if you go too hard and you roll over backwards, you might both end up back in the water, but then you get to dunk 2 people and get them back in the water. No diving. Not a good river to dive in. It's not clear enough to see anything that's underneath. No diving off the rocks. If you're going to do anything, jump. We don't even recommend that you do that. When you get to police, come up and get somebody and we'll go get your equipment, get you checked out, get you on your way. And other than that, have a really good time. Okay? So, this will be a fun day for you. At least it's nice weather. Yesterday it was almost too hot. I live up the river about 4 miles, and I launched from my house and floated to Indian Marion. By the time I got to Indian Marion, I was floating. Yeah, it's a good day. A little bit of wind, but you'll be all right. So, just come and get us. You guys have a great time.
Thank you.